Hello everyone. Once again, welcome back to Dreams Don't Expire. This is my second blog video. So today I thought I would share what a productive day looks like for me these days. Now, before you imagine one of those YouTube morning routines where someone wakes up at 5 a.m., drinks lemon water, journals for an hour, goes for a run, reads books, learns new language. So that's definitely not me. My productive day is a lot less glamorous and a lot more realistic. Right now, my biggest goal is to get back into the workforce and build a career in data analytics. So every day, I try to do a few small things that move me closer to the goal. The first thing I do is learn. These days, I am spending time on Excel and SQL because almost every MIS and data analyst job I come across ask for those skills. And the second thing I do every day is apply for jobs. I try to apply for at least 3 to 5 jobs daily. And one thing I have learned about Naukri is that the more you active, like applying for jobs, updating your profile, adding skills, and the more visible your profile becomes to recruiters. So I make it a point to say, stay active every single day. So today I applied 4 jobs and guess how many response I have received so far? Zero. Absolutely zero. So that's the reality for job hunting. People usually post about offer letters and success stories. Very few people post about sending applications into what feels like a black hole. But that's part of process too. Another thing I do is track all my applications in a spreadsheet. This is very, very important. I note down the company name, the roles, the date I applied, and the application status. And right now, every single status says applied, not selected, not interview schedule, just applied. But I am not giving up because if I was that kind of a person who gives up easily, I wouldn't be trying to restart my career after a 5 year gap. The fact that I'm still learning, still applying, and still showing up means I have already decided not to quit. Now, here's the good part. Something unexpected happened over the last couple of weeks. My LinkedIn network started growing. Just 2 weeks ago, I had only 9 connections. Today, I have more than 200. People are commenting on my post, sending me messages, sharing their struggles, asking for questions, and discussing their own career journey. And honestly, that has been incredibly encouraging because sometimes job hunting can make you feel alone. But when you talk to people, you realize there are so many others going through similar challenges. Some are searching for jobs, some are trying to switch career, and some already have jobs, but still they are not happy with where they are right now. It reminds me of my school days. Whenever I got low marks in an exam, I would immediately look around and try to find 5 other students who scored lower than me just to make myself feel better. That feels a little bit like that. Okay, so anyways, that's what a productive day looks like for me right now. Nothing fancy, just learning, applying, improving, and showing up. One Excel formula, one Excel query, and one job application at a time. And definitely update your Naukri profile every day. Thank you for watching. I will be back in the next vlog with more stories about learning, falling, failing, getting back up, and trying again. And remember, dreams don't expire. Okay, so bye bye. Take care.